Hi viewers, today our video is the river rock uh, garden decoration with rocks painting. You are watching the different cactus painted. You are watching the leaves and ladybugs on the screen. You are watching the lizard made with the pebble. You are watching the different stones, rocks decorated in garden. You are watching the sparrows uh, painted on rocks. You are watching different size and different designs sandals uh, making on the rocks, river rocks. You are watching garden decoration. You are watching the snails painting on river stones. You are watching a bus painted on the stones, river rocks. You are watching 15 cool ideas, rock and stones. You are watching a mouse painted on a stone, rock art. You are watching the two caterpillars in garden made with the stones. You are watching the uh, mushroom. You are watching now the turtles how to paint. You are watching the penguins um, decorating in your garden, home garden. You are watching the honey bee and honey flowers. You are watching pebble art bowl. You are watching different design and different ideas and decorating in garden with the rocks, painted rocks and stones. You are watching flowers. You are watching the fishes uh, painted on the stones. You are watching the cactus, different shape and different designs of cactus plants. You are watching the butterfly painted on stones. You are watching different colorful and simple stones frame. You are watching the ladybug and flowers painted on stones. You are watching the frog made by the stones, rocks. You are watching the turtles, blue and green, made with stone. You are watching a stone laughing, painted. You are watching another turtle painted on stones. You are watching three stones painted, uh, beautiful characters. You are watching 21 amazing rock garden ideas. Now you are watching three turtles painted stones, and now you are watching a piece of wood and